Immigrant. A person who comes to live permanently in a foreign country. The city has many immigrants. Indeed. Used to emphasize a statement, meaning truly or in fact. It is indeed a difficult task. Insert. To put or place something into something else. Please insert your card here. Instant. Happening or coming immediately, without delay. For an instant, everything was silent. Interpret. To explain or translate the meaning of something. How do you interpret this message? Interrupt. To stop someone from speaking or stop an action from continuing for a short time. She interrupted him mid-sentence. Invent. To create, design, or discover something that did not exist before. He invented a new machine. Investigate. To examine or look into a situation carefully to discover the facts or truth. Police are investigating the case. Joy. A feeling of great happiness and pleasure. Her success brought great joy to her family. Junior. Having a lower position, rank, or age compared to others. She is a junior employee. Kindly. In a kind, friendly, or polite manner. Kindly wait a moment. Label. A piece of paper, cloth, or plastic attached to something to give information about it. Check the label before washing. Labor. Practical work, especially hard physical work. Manual labor is physically demanding. Last. To continue existing or staying in good condition over a period of time. The show lasted longer than expected. Likeness. The state of being similar or looking like someone or something else. He bears a striking likeness to his father. Mechanic. A skilled worker who repairs and maintains machines or vehicle engines. The mechanic fixed my car. Monk. A member of a religious community of men who live apart from society, under strict vows. The monk lives a simple life. Moreover. In addition to what has already been said, besides. The room is small, moreover, it has no windows. Motive. A reason for doing something, especially one that is hidden or not obvious. What was his motive for lying? Nest. A structure or place made by a bird or insect to lay eggs and shelter its young. The bird built a nest in the tree. Odd. Different from what is usual or expected, strange. That's an odd question. Origin. The point or place where something begins, arises, or comes from. The origin of the word is unclear. Pause. To stop doing something for a short time before starting again. He paused before answering. Perspective. A particular way of thinking about or viewing something, a point of view. From my perspective, this is unfair. Poverty. The state of being extremely poor and not having enough money or basic needs. Poverty affects millions of people. Pretend. To behave as if something is true when you know it is not. He pretended to be asleep. Priest. A religious leader authorized to perform rituals and ceremonies in certain Christian churches. The priest led the ceremony. Prime. Of the highest quality, importance, or value. Main. Education is a prime concern. Profession. A type of job that requires special training, education, or skill. Teaching is a noble profession. Rank. A position in a hierarchy. He holds a high rank in the army. Rational. Based on or in accordance with reason, logic, or clear thinking. It's important to remain rational in an emergency. Reception. A welcome given to someone. The guests received a warm reception. Recognition. The act of identifying someone or something from having seen them before or showing appreciation. She received recognition for her work. Recover. To become well or healthy again after an illness, injury, or shock. She recovered after a long illness. Refrigerate. To make or keep food or drink cold to prevent it from spoiling. Refrigerate the food after opening. Reject. To refuse to accept, use, or believe something or someone. She rejected the job offer. Rely. To depend on or trust someone or something with confidence. We rely on technology every day. Rent. A regular payment to an owner for the use of land, a house, or a car. The rent is due at the end of the month. Retire. To stop working permanently, usually because you have reached a certain age. He plans to retire next year. Shift. To change gradually from one state, opinion, or position to another. Public opinion began to shift. Shock. To make someone feel very surprised or upset. His decision shocked his family. Shy. Feeling nervous, uncomfortable, or timid around other people. She is shy around strangers. Signal. In action, sound, or light that gives a notice, warning, or command. The signal was very weak. Silence. The complete absence of sound, complete quietness. There was complete silence in the room. Sincere. Free from pretense or deceit, honest and genuine in feelings. She gave a sincere apology. Stare. To look fixedly or vacantly at someone or something with wide open eyes. Don't stare at people like that. Statistic. A fact or piece of data obtained from a study of a large quantity of numerical data. This statistic shows population growth. Stream. A small, narrow river. A clear stream runs through the village. Thus. As a result, therefore. It was raining, thus we stayed home. Tone. The sound or style of someone's voice. He spoke in a calm tone.